You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's break it down. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciation, stay tuned. The most common pronunciation in English is as Bronwen, Bronwen. Some pronounce it also as Bronwen, Bronwen. How do you pronounce it yourself? It'd be interesting to know. Let us know in the comments. Let everybody know which one is the most common, Bronwen or Bronwen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.